Presenting a pre-owned 2015 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sahara. This 4-door SUV has a 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter V6 engine, with 4-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Jeep has less than 52,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 16 miles per gallon in the city, and 21 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, digital odometer, external temperature display, body side reinforcements, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, and tow hooks. Thank you for visiting Michael's Motorcars. Since 1996 we have been the Jersey Shore's premier dealership, specializing in quality automobiles at great prices, guaranteed financing available. Stop in for a test drive today or call 732-775-4444.